The Virginia Theater has been a cultural icon in downtown Champaign since 1921. Built in the tradition of the great vaudeville movie palaces of the 1920s and early 30s, the Virginia is a beautiful theater with a rich link to our past. Still standing proud in the heart of downtown, the Virginia continues to play host to live stage shows, performing arts, major concerts, and classic movies. Through wars, depressions, threats of closure and demolition, she remains today as a significant part of our community's history and quality of life. Acquired by the Champaign Park District in 2000, over $7 million have been invested toward the Virginia's restoration. Life safety improvements, infrastructure upgrades, and ADA compliance issues have all been addressed. But perhaps the most impressive work came with the restoration of the paint and plasterwork of the auditorium.
The first thing we had to do when we came to the Virginia was to execute a paint study. All our various exposures and our testing and research proved that the color palette was very carefully designed originally. In order to bring the theatre back to life, we had to go back to that original scheme, the original intent of the artists, the architects.
When we discovered the murals and the stencils on the ceiling, we were actually cleaning all of the decorative moldings.
And to our surprise, we noticed that some original canvases had been overpainted. We could see the outline of the canvas on the ceiling. What we feel happened was that there was some water ingress from a roof leak perhaps.
So we ended up stripping a little section and found a face. And then we kept stripping for the next couple of days and we found the stencils and the whole intricate design that went around the whole ceiling. So we were very excited.
We took all 6 of the original canvases down and we laid them on the deck up here and we basically restored them. We removed all the overpaint, and in fact of these 4, 2 are brand new.
They match the murals and they match the stencils, so like everything is tying together in the end and it's creating this amazing looking theater, and I think it's just going to be such a wonderful thing for downtown Champaign.
It now looks as it did in 1921.
A grand space in which pieces of the theater's past were very unexpectedly revealed. Intricately painted canvas murals depicting figures holding Spanish shields, along with extensive stenciling, were uncovered under layers of paint and dirt. Exquisite pieces of art in their own right, when coupled with the extensive details of the restored plasterwork, the eyes truly enjoy a feast worth savoring. Although much of the aesthetic portions of the restoration are almost complete, nearly $1 million in unfunded projects still remain, so your help is needed. Go to champaignparkdistrict.com or call 217-398-2550 today to make a contribution.